always.
Kyllä. We are ready.
We are ready.
Ready to fish.
Let's go and catch something.
Yeah. Okay, Gary. You are just having the hand luggage.
As always.
Yeah, we manage everything.
Yes, just the hand luggage.
Let's take 2 engines.
Oh, what a lovely day.
Hey Paukko.
Hey, Gary, how are you?
Very good. How are you?
You sleep well?
Fine. Like a baby.
Great. Okay, time to go river.
Very good.
First we go down the river, maybe 10 kilometers, and check the one spot there. Usually there's a really big ratings, like nearly 60 cm.
Very good.
Hey Pablo.
Hey.
Good morning.
Good morning.
It's a big railing. Pablo, it's a big. Think like. Net almost too small.
Yep.
Well done. Beautiful. Oh, it's cool. Now it's ready to go. Hey Pablo, well done.
Thank you. Let me fish it.
Oh, there's a big one moving around there.
Oh, it's tracking you fly, yeah.
Yeah. fly was running too quick.
Sorry, guide was dancing on the line.
Ah, now it's a perfect cast. There it is. There it is. Come on, come, come, come. Shit! It came like this. Aki.
Huh?
It came like this to look.
There was a big grayling
Big
rising.
grayling, we changed the fly twice, now we change again.
Now we try this one. Gary's tight fly.
Right.
Okay. Nice fish. Nice grayling. Well done. Kiitos, Gary.
Ole hyvä.
Pablo, wait.
Big like your
Keep
ass.
filming.
Smile for the camera. I'm telling the fish, not you.
55. About 55.
Yeah.
Kyllä. Kyllä, kyllä. With you in it.
Yeah, I was first there.
That's good. Mistähän sitä aloittais? Laitetaan bibio. Tällä lähetään. Small river and big grayling. Nyt sain mitattua. Hieno harri, 58 senttimetriä. Ei. Tää elvytellä tämä ja päästä takas on niin kaunis. Oh, great! 58 cm grayling on a small dry fly, net fly. Hey Pablo!
All my friends here. My fans.